Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on my YouTube channel, that is Research AI Tools. Today's video is primarily focused on the use of Claude AI and how can we use some advanced options in Claude AI to improve our research output. Claude AI is an advanced AI assistant and a family of large language models developed by the AI research company Anthropic. Claude is increasingly being preferred because of its highly focused structure and context-aware responses. Unlike many AI tools, including ChatGPT and Gemini, that sometimes give you generic answers, Claude is designed to stay aligned with the user's intent and provide clearer, more reliable outputs. Its strong integration capabilities through connectors further enhance its abilities to deliver precise and personalized assistance. So let's see how can we use Claude efficiently. First of all, Claude can be used much like ChatGPT for everyday AI assistance, but with a clean and user-friendly experience. So let's see how can we use Claude in a similar way as we are using ChatGPT or Gemini. So let's enter any query that comes in my mind. For example, role of digital twins in cancer tumor detection. So, for example, if I've entered a very basic query that comes into my mind, so Claude has started searching for its answers over the internet. And for example, as you can see that it is searching quite comprehensively over the internet, and it has started to generate a diagram that can give you a clear roadmap regarding how can you pursue the research in this particular area. So, a- as you can see that up till this point even, it is giving you much more focused results as compared to ChatGPT or Gemini because these tools often give you a very generic answers and in other words, a theoretical answers rather than a comprehensive diagram. So Claude has given you a very clear diagram. For example, it has given you how the digital twin model works, how it can be split up into multiple phases like early detection, tumor prediction, treatment selection, etc. And what is a digital twin and key roles in cancer detection. So here we have entered the query much like how we used to enter queries in ChatGPT and Gemini, but Claude has given us much focused answers. So, but that is not why we are here today. We are here to see how can we get Claude to give us more area specific and more field oriented results rather than generic answers. So here you can see that there's a plus option, and once I hover my pointer over the plus option, it says add files, connectors, and more. So the real power of Claude comes from connectors actually. If I click on the plus sign, here we have a connector button. So by connecting Claude to platforms such as Consensus, Google Drive, Notion, GitHub, Gmail, etc., it can provide highly focused, context-aware, and accurate responses. So once I hover my pointer over connector, it says add a connector. So let's click on add connector button. And once I click on the add connector button, there are a couple of options available over here. And these are the connectors available to me through Claude. So what are the connectors? Let's search consensus over here. So once I write a few characters in the search bar, it says that it has a consensus connector available on Claude. So I have made a focused video on the consensus tool on my YouTube channel, and it is one of the most state-of-the-art, recent, and excellent tools that we can use for our research. So let's click on plus icon, and Claude has started to get access to consensus. And it is asking you to give authorization. So let's click on the authorization button and just give it a couple of moments to connect with the Claude. So now it is saying that it has connected to consensus. So what we have done here is that we have connected Claude with one of the most recent and excellent research oriented tools so that Claude can make collaboration with the consensus in order to give you a more focused research based answer. So once again, click on the connector button, hover over the connector option, and here you can see that there's a consensus option given over here, and we have switched it on at this particular moment. So that means that whatever query now I'm going to ask from Claude, it will be giving me answer in collaboration with the consensus tool, and it will be a much more focused and much more research oriented answer. So let's go back to what we were asking initially, that is role of digital twins in tumor detection. Now again it has starting to traverse the web. And now you can see that instead of giving you a diagram straight away before giving you any specific information and introduction, now Claude is giving you answers that are from the journals and from much more research oriented websites as compared to some journal answers. So this is how you can get Claude to collaborate with the other research oriented and research focused tools in order to give you a more focused answers. So again, you can see that now it is giving you data in tabular format as well. For example, what kind of an imaging is used, what kind of clinical data was used as an example, and what are the limitations in this particular field. And a very interesting read, that is, what is the road ahead. So you can easily find a research gap from this particular area. So this is what I was trying to show you in today's video. Do go to the Claude AI tool and just try the connectors that you like. For example, you can explore connectors such as Gmail, such as Canva, such as GitHub, and it will be giving you answers that really would amaze you, and you would be very happy to explore such kind of research-based and focused answers. So I will be covering some more videos on Claude in days to come. So please join my channel, that is Research AI Tools. I hope you liked today's video. Thank you very much.